Standard ATX. This is the most common size for desktop computers, introduced by Intel in the mid-1990s to replace older, messy internal designs. Measuring exactly 12 by 9.6 inches, it offers the perfect balance of expansion slots, memory capacity, and physical space for proper airflow. Most standard gaming computers and typical office workstations rely on this layout because it easily accommodates a large graphics card alongside multiple storage drives and add-on components. It remains the absolute default choice for builders who want maximum compatibility without dealing with massive, heavy computer cases. Micro-ATX. This compact variant shrinks the vertical length of the board by a few inches while maintaining the exact same mounting hole width as the standard size. Developed shortly after its larger sibling, it was created specifically for budget-friendly builds and smaller office computers that simply do not need half a dozen expansion slots. By stripping away extra connections that most regular users never touch, manufacturers can drastically reduce the production cost. Despite the smaller footprint, these boards still easily support high-end processors and a dedicated graphics card, making them incredibly popular for practical, everyday computing. Mini-ATX. This radically miniaturized motherboard measures a mere 6.7 inches square, representing the ultimate challenge in compact computer engineering. Originally designed in the early 2000s for low-power industrial devices and quiet home theater systems, it has evolved to support incredibly powerful modern components. Because surface space is extremely limited, engineers have to creatively stack connections, physically limiting the board to just 2 memory slots and a single expansion port. PC enthusiasts absolutely love them for building portable, console-sized gaming rigs that can easily sit on a small desk or slide perfectly into a living room entertainment center. Extended ATX. This massive, oversized circuit board is engineered for extreme performance and absolute maximum hardware expansion. Pushing well past standard dimensions, it requires a specialized, heavy-duty computer case just to fit inside safely without physically bending. These boards are built to house the most power-hungry processors on the market, featuring reinforced electrical delivery systems and room for multiple massive graphics cards running simultaneously. Professional video editors, advanced 3D animators, and hardcore competitive overclockers rely on this colossal platform when standard desktop limitations simply cannot handle their extreme computational demands. Dual-socket server board. This enterprise-grade foundation abandons traditional consumer features entirely in favor of housing 2 completely separate central processors on a single giant circuit board. Designed specifically for massive data centers and heavy corporate workloads, these boards prioritize flawless continuous stability and staggering memory capacity over raw visual rendering. They often feature well over a dozen memory slots and specialized network connections engineered to handle thousands of simultaneous user requests without crashing. If you found this breakdown of computer foundations helpful, please subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which size motherboard is currently sitting inside your computer case.